goose. Right? Where? I'm a goose. Where? Happy to be. What a beautiful turn. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful turn by me. I am almost feeling romantical. Which way is he taking? Is it? Are we? No. Oh, that's very true, actually. Yeah. Hell yeah! I'm going to work. His indicator's still on. Twat. The way he takes off. Ryan. He lifts his legs like a frog. Yeah, of course. Well, look at that. This is a proper formation, you know. Yeah. Yeah, we don't. We're protecting the Japanese bikes. They're important bikes. The importante emus if he does filter, just you don't have to follow him. Remember, Harry doesn't even know the way, and I don't know the way he's taking us. So yeah, I'm sure I figure it out. It's just, I could probably assume which way he's taking us. Don't do it. I don't know. Yeah. Well, you didn't manage proper, did ya? Oh, Mike, was that? I think it might have been Zach. Yeah, it might have been him. Ryan, don't do that. Don't do that, Ryan. Oh, let's hope we get in for the red lights. Thank you. Yeah, we're all here. Thank you. I just had to thank a car because I cut it off. It's a bit hard to filter when there's 4 people. Is he? A bloody woman. I don't know. To be fair, I don't think I've ever gone down there. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, you're about to die. You're about to be dead. What? are they all going? There you go. Who knows? Who knows? This is the way that I don't know. Yahoo! Yeah. I feel like... No, it wasn't. I feel like I might know where I am. If I go a little bit further, I might... Ah, little moped! Hello! Little ped! Little pedophile! Ah, where is little pedo? He's chilling at home, isn't he? Little pedo big chillin'! I am recording this ride just because it's probably quite fun. So I will say, for the camera, pedo is... it's a cat. Yeah. It's our little man. I have no idea where I'm in danger. Yeah. Shout out to your parents. Gang gang. Shout out to them gangsters. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, Dios mío, me llamo, tú son tú. Soy dinero. I think I just said I am money. I don't know though. I think I just said I am money. I don't know though. If anyone's Espanol, soy dinero. Or I like money, I have money, I don't know. No, it's me gusta dinero. Sí, oui, oui. Oh, très bien. Oh, le poupou. Where the hell is you taking us, man? Traffic, traffic. I don't know about that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's alright. I was a little confused at what was going on in that on that road, I'll be honest. I was slightly confused. I didn't know if I could pull up. I just realised there was a car. The car let me go, but I didn't. You guys kind of just went, and I was in the wrong lane. I was like, eh. Like, goddamn, I'm in danger. Let's go to Dorchester. Is Dorchester far? I am danger. I'm a danger to society on this bike. His Harry's indicators are so funny. They bounce so much. Yeah. She take my dinner, give me my dinner. She stole my dinner, give me my dinner. Diner, okay. Bouncy, bouncy man. Goose! Where? Right? Where? I'm a goose. Where? Ryan, yeah, what is going on? Is there a fun fair? It's a circus? What the hell? What the hell, man? Oi, a tough spot. You might want to hear it. Wait, come here, wait. Give me my dinner. It is, yeah. Oh, I think he's just taking us to the roundabout bit. I don't know. I don't know where them popos at. Nah. Where the dogs at? Oh, hello. Policeman. Tally me banana. Police come and then police go. Hey, Mr. Policeman, give me my bike. Hey, don't give me a ticket, please. Woohoo! Oh, man. Whee! Hello. Whee! Wow, that's a big ass car. God damn. I don't think he knows what he's doing, really. Hello, Tinker! Oh, little Tinker, hello! I like little Tinker. Little Stinky. Hey, Mr. Tallyman, give me my picture. I gotta let him go. Go on. Go on then. Well, I don't. I'm gonna want to find. Remember me. Your boy made it. Where the hood up. Let us know if you see the picture, man. Yeah, I made it. There they are. I got a picture again with both of my fingers, with my hands up. Nice. We gotta stop. Hello. We gotta stop here, by the way. Wee. I need mine as well.